The new COVID-19 variant has again pushed the world into jeopardy. Omicron infection steadily increases with each passing day. World Health Organization fears the COVID-19 vaccine may be less effective against Omicron. WHO says infection and transmissions of Omicron variant may carry a higher risk of reinfection. More data was needed to better understand the extent to which Omicron may evade immunity derived from either vaccines or previous infection. As a result of this, the overall risk related to the new variant of concern, Omicron, remains very high. In another worrying instance, WHO claims that the COVID-19 vaccine may be less effective against infection. Supporting the statement of the World Health Organization, studies so far further strengthen that 2 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine are not effective. Despite the COVID-19 vaccine being touted to protect against severe disease and death, vaccine makers are working on variant-specific doses. Scientists are divided on the need for a 4th dose. Several experts suggest the necessity of a 4th dose to combat deadly variant. PFIZER CEO Albert Bourla says that Omicron can undermine antibodies. When we see real-world data, it will determine if the Omicron is well covered by the 3rd dose and for how long. And the second point, I think we will need a 4th dose. With Omicron, we need to wait and see because we have very little information. We may need it faster. So far, scientists suggest that there is no concrete evidence whether we need a 4th dose or not. But few of the reports suggest 3 doses is crucial to tackling Omicron. Draft research from Oxford suggests that 2 doses of AstraZeneca or Pfizer vaccines offer little protection. Meanwhile, the arrival of a new Omicron variant has sent COVID-19 infections spiraling. Britain records the highest ever daily number of COVID cases.
With over 780,000 COVID cases today, the highest ever daily number reported. The pace of rollout across the 4 nations is such that the UK as a whole now has twice as many boosters per head as the EU and more than twice as many as the United States.
England's top doctor warns that the worst is not over yet, as Omicron might get worse in the coming days. On the other side, India is scrambling to tackle the new COVID-19 variant. Tamil Nadu, Kerala report its first cases of Omicron. To curb the new variant, Maharashtra imposes Section 144 ahead of New Year Eve. Amid the Omicron scare, the Maharashtra government has tightened security to avoid large gatherings. All in all, the new variant has sent the entire globe into uncertainty.